security has been beefed up in Bisnupur and Churachandpur districts as many Meitei pilgrims started camping at Moirang for their annual pilgrimage to Thangjing Hills amidst the warning by Kuki-Zo community. Thangjing Hill is a sacred site for Meitei community, and thousands of pilgrims visit this holy site during April of every year. However, since the start of this violent conflict on May 3rd of 2023, Meitei community have been denied access to Thangjing Hill by Kuki community. On the other hand, hundreds of Kuki-Zo community members gathered at the Thangjing Hill in Manipur, Churachandpur district and staged demonstrations on Sunday to prevent Meiteis from undertaking their annual pilgrimage to the sacred site. Several Kuki-Zo civil society organizations have warned Meitei community against climbing the Thangjing Hill, stating that any such attempt will be opposed tooth and nail. On the other hand, Meitei Heritage Society has asserted that Kuki-Zo organizations have violated the freedom of free movement and right to religious practices.